Hello students, how are you? Myself Krishna Pancholi. I am your computer teacher. Standard first lesson number 4. Students, listen carefully. I'll give you general instruction about exam. Portion of computer, lesson number 1 to 4 and test paper 1, fully MCQ based paper. Okay. Now start lesson number 4 discussion. In previous video we learned identify computer mouse and its button and hold the mouse properly. Now next, identify single click and double click and identify mouse pad and its use. What is mouse pad? A computer mouse is kept on a mouse. It's called a mouse pad. It helps to move the mouse easily. It also keeps the mouse dust free. Mouse button. This one is your mouse. There is 2 buttons and 1 scrolling wheel. This one is your mouse pad. A computer mouse consists of 2 or 3 buttons. If a mouse has 2 buttons, it also has a wheel in center. Holding the mouse. When you hold a pencil, you hold it with your thumb and 2 fingers. Similarly, you have to hold a mouse. You can use 2 fingers and 1 thumb, middle finger and index finger and thumb. A student who is left hand will hold the mouse in a different way than a right hand students. The right hand students will put the index finger on the left mouse button and middle finger on the right mouse button. Totally opposite, left hand students will put the index finger on the right mouse button and middle finger on the left mouse button. Students, clear how to hold the mouse? Next, color the picture given below and label it. This one is your picture. Color it in mouse and label. In first box, write down left mouse button. Second box, right mouse button. And third box, mouse pad. Mouse pointer. What is mouse pointer? How will you point things on a computer? We use arrow in the computer to point things. The arrow on the computer monitor is called the mouse pointer. When you move the mouse on the mouse pad, you will see the mouse pointer moving on the screen. This one, right? This one is my mouse pointer. This one is moving in my screen. So next, clicking the mouse. When you have to listen the music, you place the play button of your tape recorder. When you press the button, you hear a click sound. Similarly, when you press the left button or right button of a mouse, you will hear a click sound. When you press the left button of the mouse, it is called the left click. When you press the left button of the mouse, it is called the left click. And when you press the right button of the mouse, it is called the right click. When you press the right button of the mouse, it is called the right click. When you press the left button of 2 times, when you press the left button 2 times, it is called double click. 1 time clicking and 2 times. So 1 time click, so it is called left click and right click. And left button 2 times click, it's called double click. Must know, to double click the mouse, you should press the left mouse button 2 times very quickly. It's called double click. Computer ethics, always place the mouse on a mouse pad and hold the mouse properly. आपको आपका माउस पैड पे ही रखना है and properly hold करना है माउस को. Now you know the mouse should be kept on a mouse pad. The mouse should be kept on a mouse pad. The mouse has 2 buttons and a scrolling wheel in center. Mouse has a 2 button and scrolling wheel in center. You must hold the mouse on the right way. You must hold the mouse in a right way. The mouse pointer move in the same direction as the mouse. The mouse pointer move in the same direction as the mouse. When you press a left button, it's called a left click. When you press right button, it is called right click. When the left button is pressed twice, it is called double click. When you press the left button in twice, it is called the double click. Key terms: mouse pad. What is mouse pad? It is a rubber pad on which the mouse is kept. It's called mouse pad. Mouse pointer. It is the arrow that you see on the monitor. It is called a mouse pointer. Left click. When you press the left mouse button, it is called the left click. Right click. When you press the right mouse button, it is called the right click. Double click. When you press the left mouse button twice, it is called the double click. Student, here our explanation over. Next video, solve the exercise. Thank you for watching this video.